Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn ls command in a Linux. Before proceeding further, I am going to use webminal, so you can use using a login with your own credential and all the data will be saved here. So ls command is useful for listing out the files and folder from the current directory or present working directory. So you can check the present working directory using pwd. It will print the present working directory. So pwd is the command which is useful for displaying the present working directory or print directory. So ls command is useful for listing out the files and directory which is available under this present working directory. So I am under root, under that one home, and then j directory 26. That is my present working directory. Under this directory there are certain files, other certain folders which is in color format, and you can see in a black format, that is files. So you can see the various type of files available over the present working directory. So ls is the command which will useful for listing. Using that, we can use -l. So hyphen is the sub extension or sub part which is useful for long listing. So it will be showing in long listing. ls-r will show all the data in reverse order. You can see xyz in firstly it is showing in reverse order. ls-lr, if you wanted to check, you can see it now. So extension with a will be showing at the bottom, and if you wanted to see the time being which is created newly, it will be shown at the bottom in a reverse order. March 19, February 13. So r is for reverse order. So before proceeding further, I would like to provide you few information. Let me copy these three things. The first indentation is called as the first one. If it is showing as D stands for directory, L stands for symbolic link, dash stands for regular file. Regular file, D stands for directory, L stands for symbolic link. Again, there will be a B binary specific file, and C for character specific file. Mostly you will see these three types of files: directory, symbolic link, and then file, something like this. Okay, and here these are the permissions. So R stands for read, having a permission 4. W stands for write, having a permission 2. X stands for execute, having a permission of 1. Dash stands for no permission, it means 0. So here you can see there will be a permission. It consists of, for example, this is the permission. It consists of permission of user, group, and author. This is the user, group permission, and author's permission, and this is for extra security purpose. This dot is for extra security purpose. So rwx stands for, like, this is the combination of 4 plus 2 plus 1. It is called as 7 permission. Similarly, this is also 7, and this one is 4 plus 0, 4 plus 2 plus 1, 4 plus 0 plus 1. This is consist of 5. So this is 775. This temp directory is having 775 permission. 775 permission. Similarly, this is having 777. You can calculate by your own. And this is having 664 permission. Okay, so this is called as directory or file or symbolic link. This is the permissions of user owner. Okay, this total is called as first block. This is the second block. Second block represented as memory blocks. Use memory blocks used by that particular file or directory. These are the three memory blocks which is used by TMP folder. XYZ symbolic link is using one memory block, and element file is using one memory block. This is the third column represented as user. This third column representing as a user. This fourth presenting as a group. Next one represented as a size. The next one represented as a file creation timestamp. So I can mention timestamp. And next one is whether it is a directory, whether it is a file name, directory name, file name. I hope you are clear about these things. So if I'm talking about abc.txt, so here it is a file. In initial letter it is showing as a dash. It means it is file having a user permission 6, group permission 6, other permission is 4. Dot is useful for extra security purpose. 1 stands for memory block, which is useful by abc.txt. User is j26, group is j26. It is having 0 byte files. So whatever it is mentioned here, it is in bytes. It is created on March 19 around 6:52, and file name is abc.txt. Similarly, we have a directory here. Okay, how to identify the hidden files? So if you are using a option with the option a hyphen a, so it will show you the hidden file. So how you can identify hidden file? So hidden files start with dot. So you can see dot bs bash rc dot pratap singh swap dot jeet. These are the hidden files which is available over the system. Similarly, you can also identify the hidden files using capital A. Both are working in a similar manner. Using ls-ld, and if you are providing any folder name, it will show you the directory more information related to directory. And if you are using ls-lrt nikhil, that is the directory, it will show you all the files which is available under nikhil. So recursively. Similarly, capital R is also working. Recursively, it will show you all the folders and directory which is available under nikhil. But if you wanted to show only the directory when it was created, so use ls hyphen ld nikhil. That is the directory. So you can see D stands for directory and it is showing in another color. Similarly, if suppose this is show ls hyphen lrt, L stands for long listing, R stands for reverse order, and T stands for time being. So you can see all the files and folder which is available under it is in bits. But if you wanted to check in human readable format, then you can use ls hyphen lrt h. H stands for human readable format. So here there is no files which is bigger. So I will go on scripts path. You can see here there will be some files which is showing as in kilobytes 4K. So that is the human readable format. And if you are using ls-lrt, then you will see that is showing as 4096, that is in bytes. So this is the basic difference between hyphen h. So hyphen h is useful for a human readable format. ls-li stands for inode number. For every file and folder there will be a unique inode number. So using that, the file will be searched over the system. So a.sh or a1.sh having some unique number. So let me show you this example in another way. This is the present working directory and having txt files like b.txt. Okay, so let me execute something like this, txt li. So it is having 535, and let me go on that particular path and let me create touch b.txt ls upon li b.txt. You can see b.txt which is present under this folder, scripts folder, having the inode number is this, and which is available under j26 having inode number is this one. Even though file name is same, but the inode number will be unique one. So this file is created with unique inode number. Again ls-ln, so it will show you the group id and user id in a numeric format. So this is the my user id in numeric format, and this is my group id in numeric format. So this is my user and this is my group. Again ls hyphen cap small u, you will show you like with access time, when we have access. This particular b.txt I have accessed some time before, that is why it is showing as the bottom. If suppose I have access c.sh, so if I am executing ls upon lrtu, now c.access should, okay, let me access this one, cat c.sh ls upon lrtu. So c.sh will be showing at the bottom. So whenever you are accessing, you are performing some kind of read operation over that particular file or directory, it will be shows at the bottom using hyphen u. So u is useful for access time. Again, there will be option ls upon capital F, which is useful for showing the particular type of files, whether it directory, whether it is folder, whether it is the symbolic link, like something like this. So I'll be using this one. So whenever there is a star, it means it is the executable files. So this is the executable files. If there is nothing there, it is a simple file, it is called as a regular file. If there is a backward slash here, forward slash is here, so it is directory. And at the rate, if it is showing at the rate, it means it is a symbolic link. So it should yeah, this is the symbolic link a.txt. So I hope you guys like the video. Please do subscribe and watch for more videos. Thank you.